One suggestion was to make sure the dealer executes a thorough PDI. This was not useful for us because we had already received our Jaguar, but it was definitely sound advice for those looking to buy not only an F-Pace but also any new car. Pre-delivery inspection is the process of checking off dozens of different service points, including but not limited to such things as removing any protective films or covers, checking all fluid levels, installing the front license plate, and testing all systems from cruise control to VAC. One of the things Craig recommended we check was that the Jaguar's InControl Touch Pro infotainment system was running the latest version of the software. This turns out to be difficult to confirm 100%, but after examining various clues on the forum, it looks as though we need to have our system updated, though we have yet to experience any glitches.